Hello everyone. Now today we will solve exercise number 14C. So our first question is express the time in each case in minutes only. Okay, so our first question is 7 hour 15 minutes. So now here we will solve first question. So here you can see we can divide 7 hour in and 15 minutes in this way. Okay, we will divide 7 hour and 15 minutes in this way. Okay, here now you can see 1 hour is equals to we can write 7 hour is equals to 7 into 1. Okay, so when we multiply 7 1 ja 7, so we can write 7 hour in this way, 7 into 1 hour plus 15 minutes. So here you can see 1 hour is equals to 16 minutes, 60 minutes. Okay, so now we will write in place of 1 hour we will write 60 minutes. So now here we will multiply. So when we multiply 7 by 60, then we will get 420 minutes. Okay, so now in last what we will do, we will add. Okay, so our final answer is 435 minutes. Okay, so now we will take one more example for more clarification. Suppose our question number B is 3 hour 20 minutes. Okay, so now here first of all we will write 3 in this way, 3 into 1. Okay, so when we multiply by 3, 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so now here we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so now we will write in place of 1 hour we will write 60 minutes into 3 plus 20 minutes. Now we will multiply. So when we will multiply 3 by 60, then we will get 180 minutes. Okay, now 180 minutes plus 20 minutes. Now we will add. So our final answer will be 20 minutes. Now we will do question number 2. Our question number 2 is express the time in each case in hours and minutes. So our first question is 175 minutes. Okay, so now we will solve this question. So we can write 175 minutes in this way. Okay, so when we will break 175, we will break 175 in two parts. So 120 plus 55. So whenever you will add 120 plus 55, then you will get 175. Okay, so now again we will break 120 into in this way, 60 into 20. So when you will multiply 60 by 2, then you will get 120 minute. Okay, so now here we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so we can write in place of 60 minutes we can write 1 hour. So now in last what we will do, we will multiply 2 1 ja 2. So 2 hour 55 minutes will be our final answer. Okay, so rest question will be in practice work. So if you have any doubt in both questions, then you can ask me. So now question number 3 and 4 will be in practice work. Okay, if you have any doubt in question number 3 and 4, then you can ask me. Now we will solve question number 5, and our question number 5 is A is Mina's school starts at 7 hour 55 minute am and finish at 2:35 pm. How many hours and minutes does Mina spend at her school? Okay, so now we will solve this question. Mina's school start at 7:55 am. Okay, and now here Mina's school finish at 2:35 pm. So therefore Mina spent time in school is equals to, so first of all we will draw timeline. Okay, so here you can see Mina's school start at 7:55, then 8:55, 9:55, 10:55, 11:55, 12:55, 1:55, 2 p.m. and 2:35 p.m. Okay, so now we will count time. So from 7:55 to 8:55, Mina spent 1 hour in school. Okay, so now from 8:55 to 9:55 again 1 hour. Now 9:55 to 10:55 again 1 hour. Now from 10:55 to 11:55 again 1 hour. Now from 11:55 to 12:55 again 1 hour. Now from 12:55 to 1:55 again 1 hour. So now from 1:55 to 2 p.m. Okay, so this time is only 5 minutes. Okay, so now from 2 p.m. to 2:35 p.m. So here Meena spends total 35 minutes in school. Now in last we will add all the times. Okay, so 1 hour plus 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 5 minute plus 35 minute. Okay, so when you add this all the times, then you will get 6 hour 40 minutes. Okay, so therefore Meena spent 6 hour 40 minutes in school. Okay, so in this way we have finished our exercise number 14C. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. This is your exercise number 14C. So rest question will be in practice work. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.